Hey guys, just wanted to share with y'all something. I'm working on my truck this morning. Had a vacuum leak, and it's a small block Chevy engine. I don't know if y'all are familiar, but this little guy here comes off the throttle body to the valve cover. They get these cracks in the rubber part right here, and it causes a big vacuum leak. It causes the engine to backfire and run like crap. So anyway, little trick for these things. I know a lot of people think like I do. They want to keep things running as long as possible without having to replace a bunch of parts. So this is made pretty cheap. It's just rubber and plastic. There's a trick to this. Make this last a really long time. This is the first time I've had to change this. Just find you a little tray, something like that it'll fit in, you know, and get you some of this stuff. See that? This stuff right here. This is the very best product right here. This is UV protection, oxidation protection. And you just take some of it and soak the part. You can do this with Serpentine belts. You can do it with a lot of stuff. But you just soak them like this here. And it doesn't evaporate, so you ain't got to worry about it evaporating or anything like that. And what this is going to do is it's going to penetrate into that plastic. And just leave it. You can leave it overnight if you want to. On a Serpentine belt, I recommend putting it in a big number 10 can, roll it up, put it in the bottom of the can, and cover it. You can use it on your tires. Keeps your tires from oxidizing. It's really good stuff. Don't know what it's made of. Works really well, so it's probably bad for you. But yeah, 303 protectant. And make sure it's the 303. I don't know. There's a lot of different ones out there, and people swear by all kinds of different stuff. But this I know works. I got a tip on this material in particular from a guy who restores cars, and ever since I've had it, I've had no issues. And everything I put it on, even my wiper blades, last 4 or 5 times longer than they ought to. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Of course, I'm not going to soak this as long, probably. I need to get my truck running. But just wanted to share that. Y'all have a great day.